In this video, I'm going to turn this into this.
Wow!
This Phalaenopsis orchid was really struggling after being neglected for a while, so I decided to give it a fresh start. First, I took it out of its old pot and trimmed away all the dead and rotten roots. To identify good roots, look for ones that are firm and white or light tan. Bad roots are mushy and brown. You want to remove the unhealthy ones so the plant can focus on growing new healthy roots. For the potting mix, I used a combination of chopped coconut husk, charcoal, and coco peat. The chopped coconut husk helps with aeration, which is essential for healthy roots. Charcoal is great for retaining the structure of the potting mix and helps with aeration, while also assisting in controlling odors and absorbing excess moisture. Coco peat retains moisture and allows excess water to drain away, which is crucial for preventing root rot. Next, I repotted it into this clay pot. Clay pots are a great choice because they're porous, which helps with air circulation around the roots and reduces the risk of root rot. They also look nice and provide a more natural environment for the plant. Plastic pots, on the other hand, can trap moisture and lead to root rot if they don't have proper drainage. Plus, they don't allow for as much airflow. I also added some fungicides to the mix to prevent any fungal issues and keep the roots healthy. Now I'm going to water it thoroughly. Make sure you get all parts of the potting mix nice and moist. After that, because we're living in quite a hot climate, I used a disposed saline bottle as a drip irrigation system to keep the media consistently moist. This setup helps to provide a steady, controlled amount of moisture, which is essential for the plant's health in these warmer conditions. It's a great way to ensure the mix stays at the right moisture level without the risk of overwatering. For fertilizing, I used an all-purpose Osmocote fertilizer. This is a slow-release fertilizer, so it gradually feeds the plant over time. Just sprinkle it on the surface of the mix, and it'll provide nutrients as the plant grows. Orchids need bright indirect light to thrive. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while too little light can hinder growth. Aim for about 50 to 70% shade. If you don't have shade cloth, you can find a spot with filtered light.
6 months later.
Fast forward 6 months and just look at it. I mean, blooming beautifully. The transformation has been incredible. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed seeing this orchid makeover and found my tips useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care videos. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. See you next time.